This is Thekla May, and this is Ewan Murray. They live in Bristol, UK. And this is Nessie, a Mercedes-Benz 508D, built in 1987, with an OM314 engine delivering 85 horsepower. With 16-inch tyres in the front and twin tyres in the rear, extensive headlights, indestructible seats, an old-school tachometer and a mechanical lighting switch, more funny switches and buttons, a 24-volt power supply, a serving hatch, a Class 5 hygiene rating, social media branding. Thekla and Ewan love food and cooking. They used to work in a restaurant, but decided to run their own business, more free and mobile. So they were looking for a van to fit their idea of a restaurant on wheels, and found Nessie on eBay, an ex-military ambulance. They refurbished her from scratch. Insulation, electric power supply, extensive service area, and painted it bright and shiny blue. Now they're selling their delicious food in the colourful streets of Bristol. The recipes are developed by Thekla and Ewan themselves, inspired by the rich cuisine of the Middle East, which gains a lot of flavour from the Turkish mangal grill. Besides a unique formula, exotic spices and fresh condiments are essential for a good dish, like pomegranate, spring onion, aubergine, red pepper, courgette, tomato. So, combining all the delicacies and preparing with lots of love, there'll be something special. As always in life, it's the ingredients that make the dish. Having found themselves, the van, and the best recipe for their kebab, Thekla and Ewan are ready to serve.